Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about columns function in PySpark. It returns a list of column names in the data frame. So very simple. If you need to get the list of columns from a data frame, the columns function will help you do that. So now we have this sample data here. We have this names here, department and salary there. Then we have defined some columns for this data set, and we have name, department and salary columns here. And then we are creating a data frame, and by using the create data frame, we provided this data to create the data frame, and we provided this columns for the schema. So our data frame has these list of the columns, and this data will be inserted in that one. Now we can see the data frame, and let's take a look on that one. It's going to create a output table for us. We can see right there we have name, department and salary, and these are the columns, and then these are the records for our data frame. Now if I want to get the list of columns for this data frame, it's very simple. I can use print to print out. So I will say print df.columns is going to print out all the columns of my data frame. So that's great. Often we have to see the list of the columns, and maybe also use some documentation, and we will have them in this array. So this will be providing a list of columns, and sometimes we need to do not like this with the commas and all that. Maybe want to just print out the entire list of the columns from the data frame. We can do that as well by using the loop. So here you will say for cul, like give any name, like it's just a variable like a cul1 even, so you can give anything, and then say in df data frame dot columns. So it's going to get a list of the columns in this call, and then you are gonna print them one by one. So what's going to happen once you print it, it's going to get you the list of those columns. It's going to loop you right there, so you can see right there we have name, department and salary. Okay, so I hope this video will help, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.